what is going on, guys? I know it's been forever since I posted a video. I kind of wanted to just make this video to let you guys know that I still am going to be making more content for this channel. I just have been really busy. I still have been doing stuff.
If we got one last party tonight, and just like the stars, we gon' shine so bright. All I really miss is you by my side, singing with me, let go, let go, let go, let go.
So as you guys can see, I've still been doing stuff, still been doing car stuff, hanging out with everybody. But this whole process of getting into this house and buying this house was a headache, to say the least. Me and Kelly are drained on all levels, and I've just been doing a lot of thinking about some changes that I want to make to my personal life, the channel. One of those things being spending a lot more time with Caden and Kelly. When I first started this channel, it was supposed to be something fun, something that I could look back on later in time, that Kelly could look back on, that Caden could look back on, and my friends and stuff. And over the last few months, it's become more about making sure I produce content and pushing videos out to try to grow the channel. And I've realized, even in the past, few weeks of me not uploading and the channel still growing and stuff, that it's not as important. I mean, I don't really get paid to do this, so why would I slave myself or stress myself to where I'm only getting 5 hours of sleep between working 60 hours a week, working on my projects, filming and editing and doing all that, if it's not something I truly enjoy. So my content is probably not going to be as regular for a while, at least until I have easier stuff to film. But I'm not going to try to just think of things to film all the time. If it's something that I enjoy doing and I want to film it, then I'll enjoy doing it and filming it and editing it and giving it to you guys to enjoy yourselves. So that's pretty much all I got, really. Just know there's some things that are changing with the cars and content wise. I really want to this summer spend a lot of time doing outdoor activities and stuff with Caden and Kelly. So I'm sure you guys will see a lot of edits of that. But he's just growing so fast, and I've just caught myself being so in the garage or doing yard work and editing and doing all this stuff lately, that he's growing faster than I care to like. So I want to be a part of that at all times, and soak that in as much as possible. So I hope you guys can understand that. Obviously money is a lot tighter now with being homeowners. It's a grip out here in California. To put it in perspective, it's over $2 grand a month, and that doesn't include any utilities, water, trash, anything like that. That's just mortgage, interest, and property taxes and stuff like that. And it's not even a huge house. You guys will get to see it later. It's like 1,280 square feet on like a quarter acre. So it's a nice house, but the prices are just ridiculous. But we didn't want to rent anymore. We needed to own something. It's kind of an investment for our future, because I don't see home prices going down anytime soon. But yeah, so that's pretty much all I got for this video. I know it wasn't really cool and fun and exciting, but I do have some upcoming things planned. So probably within the next weekend, maybe this weekend or the next one, I'll have another video out for you guys. Again, if you're new to the channel and you're just watching this and you're like, what the freak is this guy talking about? Check out some of my other videos. Subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and thank you guys again for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.